Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to easily color grade your clips with one click of a button. It's absolutely amazing. It's a feature on CapCut. So I actually don't have any videos that would work for this image. So like I can show you right here. This is a clip that I would love to color grade. Let me fix the ratio on it. And with the clip selected, you just scroll down on video right here. And this right here, image enhancement. All you would have to do is click on image enhancement, click another button, and it enhances the video. But for some reason, this video isn't being enhanced. But if I use this clip, which isn't really a clip, it is a photo of a anime character. Let me put it back to this ratio. It actually does it. So scroll down and you can click on image enhancement, leave it on HD, and it's going to render. It's going to take maybe 30 seconds to a minute, and it will literally make your videos and images look absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it. So guys, if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.